y'all, today we are going to be making churro cheesecake cookies. For this we have cinnamon, sugar, salt, baking powder, flour, vanilla, 2 eggs, softened cream cheese, and a whopping cup of butter, also softened. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Hey y'all, so in our large mixing bowl, we've gone ahead and put our 1 cup of butter in there. Unsalted butter, by the way. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar. Now we're going to cream this together until light and fluffy. Once you got that well creamed together, we're going to add in 2 eggs. We're going to take half a tablespoon of vanilla. Now we're going to go ahead and get these well mixed together. So scrape the edge of the bowl down to make sure everything gets well incorporated. Now we're going to take half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder. Go ahead, give that a quick mix. Then we're going to take in and add 3 cups of flour. Now we're going to go ahead and get this well mixed together. Now we're going to set this to the side real quick. Now we're going to take our 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Now we're going to take 1/3 cup of sugar and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to go ahead and get these well creamed together. Now we're going to take our piping bag, and we have that attachment for filling. We're going to go ahead and load our piping bag. Alright y'all, so we've got a baking sheet here with some parchment paper on it. We're going to go ahead and roll some dough to about a 1-inch ball. Go ahead and flatten it out a little bit. Then we're just going to take our filling and pump a little bit in, close it out, smooth it with your hand a little bit. And then in a small bowl, we've taken about 1 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon, mixed it together. We're going to take our cookie, give it a good coating, put it on our baking sheet, rinse and repeat. We're going to place our cookies about 2 inches apart. I'll bring you back when mine are done. Alright y'all, so our cookies are prepared. We're going to go ahead, throw them in our oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so I cooked mine for about 13 minutes. Now we're going to let these cool for a few minutes before transferring to our cooling rack. I'm going to finish cooking all of my cookies. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it. Churro cheesecake cookies. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.